everyone, here is Juicy Floration Package. We are specialized in package designing and manufacturing. Today, I would like to show you a box. Look at here. This box is made by sugarcane pulp. It is molded in this shape, and here have an elastic strap. And on here is have a big logo on it. You can customize you want it. They also have a handle on this. It is very convenient for customer to carry. And those also achieve the function of enhanced product value, including the shape of molded by our mold. It doesn't need to extra cost to make. In our products achieve the zero pollution, zero addition, and zero emission in the product process. The wastewater and corner cutting material can be reused, including defective product can be also recycled. Truly achieve the concept of environmental protection. Our box is 100% volatilized in less than 3 months, and there is no pigment added in this box, which is complete the nature color of the paper. Of course, if you want to customize other colors like the red box and the blue tree, you can provide Pantone color to us. If you are interested in our product, you can contact us. Thank you very much.